How to create Twitter account. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. In order to create account in Twitter, you need to download and install Twitter application on your device. For that, you can go to your Google Play Store and you can search for Twitter and you'll be easily able to see the app. Install it on your device. Once you install it, go for open. Once you open the app, you will be able to see the pop-up at the lower button. There is a login or sign up option. So tap on that. So here are two options: continue with Google or create account. Since we are trying to create an account, we have to go for create account option. And in this section, you need to select your language, whether English or British English. You can also skip for now. After that, if you have selected, you can go for next. And after that, you need to create your account. For that, you have to set your name. And you need to enter your email address over here. And in the third box, you need to enter your date of birth. Right after entering, simply go for next. And this is a section for customizing your experience. You can read this section, and if you are agreed, then you can check mark over here. If you are not, then you can remove this check mark and simply go for next. So that you have to simply tap on sign up option in the lower button. And you'll be opened up to the authentication section, or it means it's a verification section. They just want to make sure that you are a real person, so you have to simply tap on authenticate. And you need to resolve this option. Once you are proven or verified, you will be able to see this interface or the text box. So you have to check your Gmail address where a verification code has been sent. If you haven't received email, then you can go for did not receive email, where you will be taken to another step or given another way to verify. After entering, simply go for next. After that, you need to create a password, but you have to make sure that the password is of 8 characters or more. And after creating the password, you can go for next. You can save the password to Google if you want. By doing that, from the next time whenever you try to log in, you won't have to enter your username and password. You will be directly logged into your account. Section, you can either pick a profile picture or you can also skip for now. After that, if you want to change your username, then you can change, but you can also keep as it is. And after that, you can go for next and simply go for continue, and a pop-up will be appear in your screen. So you have to allow Twitter to access your contacts. You can also deny, or you can simply tap on allow. And you have to select the choice or the interest of yours. You have to select at least 3 interests to personalize your Twitter experience. That means if you select music, entertainment and sports, then the news related to music, entertainment and sports will be available in your newsfeed. After that, you can simply go for next. Further, here are the list of the options that you are going to see the updates about. You can simply go for next. And finally, after a few minutes, you can see my account has been created and I have been logged into my account. So this is how you create Twitter account. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions on any topics, then don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.